monster cats always the scary is monster I ever seen first. Always that's my favorite monster. And that buffalo and that zookeeper and that's only that mantis. And that's always that's horse. Something else.
Unsa iton sa horse?
Monster horse.
Unsa iton sa
And
monster horse?
monster plant at that zookeeper and monster catnap.
Catnap? Bad man ang mga catnap eh.
Monster catnap.
Unsa iton sa catnap?
Only people.
Agtoy.
And now only the monster plants is gonna eat you for it. For its darkness and morning. 2 hours later for it's so very scary for the hunted
Oh my god.
fox.
Hunted fox.
Monster on the long neck and so very big and he could eat people's and lords this. It's like this and now eats.
Uy, bad man na.
That's a monster between.
Oh my god,
That's
that's
not gonna go in
scary
here.
na. Huh?
And that's gonna go in here.
Not going here?
Yes. How about the monster dog?
Oh!
Long neck, same like a monster cat.
Unsa eat ni sa monster dog?
Only people.
Oh my god, I don't like it.
And you're gonna go in there. Go and the dog monster go away. For you see you. You're gonna eat it. And same like smiley cats.
Dili siya eat the meat. Ang monster dog, eat na siya bones.
Only eats meat and bones. Why you go in there? Oh my god. That's monster one.
How about monster rat? Nah, monster rat.
Only tiny little.
Not. How about monster grasshopper?
Not only the berry mantis. What?
Ah, monster?
Monster
Man-
mantis.
Mm.
But it's always in the zookeeper. But there is what? What this on the oils? They're very. They did what? They did what?